What's up, my ninjas, wherever you're watching from? Thank you so much for joining me today or tonight, whatever time it is there. Uh, this is the Internet Income Ninja helping you make money online. And this video is for my gamers. Now, this is not a lead that's directly gaming, but you will be working for a gaming company. Just a bit of housekeeping. Today is January, 26th? January 26th, 2022. It is currently 10:31 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or Eastern Time. So that gives you a bit of gauging as far as when you saw this video, how long this lead has been out. Speaking of which, at this date and time, the video has been out for 15 hours. Okay? So still fresh, still hot off the press. It is an entry-level position. It is a freelance position, so it's not a permanent position. You're freelancing for them, pretty much contract, and it is indeed international, meaning you can apply from various countries around the world, right? Awesome. Now, another bit of housekeeping. Do subscribe. It would be nice. It is free, and the value you gain for doing that free thing is astronomical. I talk about leads for jobs. I talk about ways of making money online, different programs, different how-to videos, and all these tips or tricks or hacks or skills that you can use to make money online. So if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing, and let's just jump into this lead. Thank you very much. Now, the name of the company is called Yodo1Games. At this point in time, I invite you to always vet the leads you get. Okay? And when you realize that they are legit, when you submit your application, still consider checking who your information is coming from. There has been an increase in, let's say, identity theft. We don't want anybody's information being stolen. If they ask you to send payment details, meaning they want you to send your credit card information and stuff like that, don't do it. Right? No company should be asking anybody for credit card information or social security information or any information like that. Never, ever, ever give out that sort of information. All right? And only communicate through channels where you know that it's a legit form of communication from the company. All right? Just making that clear. Now, when you come to this page, the link is in the description below. So when you get to this page, if you press this button, that link looking thing, you will be taken to their website. And there you can learn more about how they operate. You can get a feel of the company from their website design. And that will put you in a better position for your interview. Now, what is Yodo1 and why should I care? Two very good questions. Here's the answer. Yodo1 is a fully remote game tech company with three main business lines: publishing, IP licensing, and our core product, Managed Ad Services, MAS. With these services and our free education portal, we are actualizing the Yodo1 mission, helping game developers around the world to turn their passion into livelihood. Right now, we are hiring a BizOps coordinator to primarily assist in our daily sales operations. This role will include you assisting our sales team in managing email replies from outbound activities and scheduling calls based on availability of sales teams. You'll provide assistance throughout the customer journey and with the sales cycle. You'll be maintaining the log of all sales operations in our internal CRMs, handling day-to-day maintenance of our internal systems, and reporting to stakeholders on any gaps in the system. You'll be establishing effective internal and external communication mechanisms, assisting all MAS teams in their daily operations. And I already said MAS means Managed Ad Services. Okay. Now, requirements to qualify for this role. You should have some familiarity with software as a service products, SaaS, such as Zoho, Airtable, SendGrid, MailChimp, Missive, right? Working knowledge of what a CRM is and how data is managed within an organization. Good knowledge of Google Sheets and Canva. So they use Google Sheets, I guess not Excel, but it's the web, Google's web answer or web platform or web version to Microsoft Excel. And Canva, which, excuse me, there is a link to Canva. Canva is an awesome tool that allows you to be able to create graphics and documents. So why did I bring this up? These documents could also include resumes, cover letters, CVs, portfolios. You can put together like a like a collection of work you've done. You can do birthday cards, you can do Christmas cards, you can do TikTok videos, you can edit videos on there, you can do Instagram posts, like you can create the actual imagery and so on. And all of that can be done for free. Canva is absolutely free. There is a link in the description below. No excuses. You have all the tools you need to get the stuff you need to get done. All right. Now, working experience using Airtable required. You should have a basic understanding of views and data entry. Strong cross-team verbal communication skills required to manage stakeholder expectations and discuss You should be able to have strong cross-team verbal communication skills to manage stakeholder expectations and discuss, have discussions about those things. You should be a quick learner with a drive to go above and beyond, and preferably 1 or more years of experience working with a support team. We pay based on qualifications, experience, and fit for the role. Apply now to change the game for game developers. And to apply, hit the apply for job button. The page will come up that asks you to enter your information in certain fields, or you should be able to connect your LinkedIn profile to the application. All right, so that's it for the lead. Again, feel free to subscribe, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me in the comment section. So this is not a gaming position per se. You won't be playing games, but you will be assisting a gaming company, which in my honest opinion is a good foot in or shoe in if you want to get into the gaming world seriously. And by that I mean not on the playing side, but if you want to be in some sort of admin position in gaming, or you love gaming so much that you want your 9 to 5 to be in the gaming sphere. This is a good show in that you can learn how companies operate, and you could ultimately even create your own gaming company. So apply, even if you're not into admin stuff but you need the money. Apply. You can invite your friends to apply as well. Send the link, copy the link, share the link of this video to them or with them, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Continue to stay safe, and go ahead and check the links out in the description if you're serious about making money online. There are things like courses that you could take. There are things like books you can read that are free. There are other tools and sources of information that you can tap into. Links in the description if you are serious about making money online. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.